These are all bell pepper. Tara, kumain tayo ng bell peppers. So, alam niyo ba ang benefits of eating bell pepper? Bell pepper rich in vitamin C and antioxidants and various carotenoids. So, eating bell pepper improve good eyesight. So, kain tayo ng bell pepper. So, there's orange, yellow, and red. I like the red. Black, dark red. So, this is dark red. Yellow. So, yan, naghiwa tayo ng sweet bell pepper. At alam niyo ba na itatanim ko nito ulit para next time may ma-harvest ulit ako. Next summer. So, these are the seed ng bell pepper. Ang tamis nito ang kainin. Okay, so naghiwa na ako. Madami. Nagdasan ko na rin ito. This is organic bell pepper. Thank you for watching. Hope you like my video. Please like and share and subscribe na rin para sa aking mga new update. Magandang araw!